U.S. stocks posting their biggest losses in 2 weeks today, erasing yesterday's gains as investors sell shares amid rising concerns of a debt default in Greece and signs of a deteriorating U.S. economy. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, and stocks falling today. At one point, the Dow was down 213 points, so we didn't close on the worst levels of the day, but certainly not a pretty picture today. And the big concern, once again, signs that the economy is cooling off as we got that CPI number. Certainly didn't help out sentiment. And, of course, all that concern, once again, about Greece, that Greece may default. And that concern about Greece really caused the banking stocks to move lower, like Wells Fargo, also Bank of America. And that's one of the things that we saw as we saw a lot of the European banks coming in lower in today's session. Pimm.
Now, Deborah, another hot new initial public offering to hit the technology market today, of course, Pandora.
Pandora, yes, started trading here at the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol P. The stock was up as much as 63% earlier in the trading session, but closing up just about 8% by the closing bell. And, of course, the big story is investors seem to be flocking to technology IPOs, making them wildly successful. Now, getting back to today's market, we saw all 10 economic groups lower. And, of course, if we're worried about the economy, those cyclical stocks, of course, those most closely tied to the economy were lower, like Alcoa, also International Paper and Freeport-McMoRan, really dragging down the market. And crude oil today tumbling below $95 a barrel for the first time since February, on concern that fuel consumption will decrease as the economy slows down. So certainly a lot of mixed things in the bag today. Pimm, back to you in the studio.
Indeed. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.